Garden, also known as the Jardim de Olhao or Jardim de Portugal, is a beautiful park located in the Talborjt district of Agadir, Morocco. The garden was established to commemorate the strong ties between Morocco and Portugal, particularly the city of Olhao, which played a significant role in Portuguese history. Here are some key features and highlights of the Olhao Garden. Lush greenery. The garden is filled with a variety of trees, plants, and flowers, providing a serene and picturesque environment for visitors. Architecture. The garden features Moroccan-style architecture, with intricate designs and traditional elements that reflect the local culture and heritage. Art and sculptures. Various sculptures and artworks are displayed throughout the garden, adding to its aesthetic appeal and providing cultural insights. Recreational spaces. The garden offers several spots for relaxation and recreation, including benches, walking paths, and shaded areas. Cultural connection. The garden symbolizes the historical and cultural connections between Morocco and Portugal, making it a place of both natural beauty and historical significance. Events and activities. Occasionally, the garden hosts cultural events and activities, making it a lively spot for both locals and tourists. Overall, Olhao Garden is a delightful place to visit for those looking to enjoy nature, learn about Moroccan culture, and appreciate the historical ties between Morocco and Portugal.